Low-calorie ginger carrot apple smoothie. Ingredients: 5 grams ginger, 1 medium carrot sliced, 1 medium apple sliced, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, half teaspoon cinnamon, and water. Ginger has been shown to help reduce blood sugar levels and help regulate insulin response in people with diabetes. In one 2014 animal study, obese rats with diabetes were given a mix of cinnamon and ginger. These rats experienced a wealth of benefits, including reduced body weight. Carrot. Carrots are rich in vitamin A and K, vitamin C and potassium and manganese, complex vitamin B with folate, phosphorus and vitamin E in smaller quantities. Apple. Apples helps stabilize blood sugar levels in addition to providing other health benefits. Cinnamon. The researchers found the cinnamon cut cholesterol by about 18% and blood sugar levels by 24%. Lemon juice. Lemon water is good for diabetics as a means of controlling blood sugar levels. Lemon juice is good for diabetics mainly because of its high concentration of vitamin C. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps boost the body's immune system and has a beneficial effect on heart health. Take a blender jar, add all the ingredients, add some water and blend well. Take a serving glass and pour the smoothie into it. Now, low-calorie gingered carrot apple smoothie is ready to serve. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos. Fat-burning green tea and vegetable smoothie. Ingredients: 2 cauliflower florets, 2 pineapple spears, green tea to the fill line. Cauliflower. The American Diabetes Association recommends eating half of one's plate or at least 3 to 5 servings of non-starchy vegetables per day. 1 serving is equal to half cup cooked or 1 cup raw. Non-starchy vegetables are encouraged because of the nutrition contributions they make to our diabetes. They are high in vitamins, minerals, fiber, and phytochemicals. I would like to encourage you to use cauliflower as part of this recommendation for people with diabetes. Pineapple. Pineapple can be a healthy choice for people with diabetes. Certain fruits contain vitamins, minerals, and fiber that can be beneficial to your diet. Green tea. Green tea contains high amounts of polyphenols and antioxidants. Polyphenols are known to have antioxidative properties which can help protect against inflammation and carcinogens. It has been shown that these properties in tea can help to prevent type 2 diabetes as well as some cancers. Epigallocatechin gallate EGCG is the key polyphenol in green tea. It is known to be the main attributable factor to the beneficial health effects of green tea. Through a complex biochemical reaction, EGCG in green tea helps sensitize cells so they are better able to metabolize sugar, which is beneficial for both type 1 and type 2 diabetes. Take a blender jar, add all the ingredients and blend well. Fat-burning green tea and vegetable smoothie is ready to serve.